gonna give you a quick walk around, show you some of the stuff that we did, and then we're gonna go for some test drive. So, let's start with the good stuff. Here she is, all cleaned up. Note, if you can see up there the radiator mount, that is all the guys that have worked on this. I got them all to sign it. Kind of a little homage to all the guys that put in time for my car. Was it worth all the work? Simple answer, absolutely. This thing is just an animal. First, second gear, it just pulls hard. Any gear, really. I've accidentally skipped second and third, went straight into fourth, and you hardly notice it. The torque just pulls you on through. The brakes, a little stiff, but you know, the performance is still there. They still brake just like they used to. It just requires a little bit more leg effort. That steering shaft that we put in, I love that. It's got such a, you know, we got rid of that rubber puck. It's so direct, and you can feel everything in the steering wheel. Really enjoy that. And that noise. Let me drop down a gear and let you hear that. That alone, I think, makes it worth it. And you know what? You can just grab another gear, put her in 6, and just cruise on down the highway. So we're gonna head out to a straight stretch of highway. We're gonna try to obey the laws as much as we can, just to show you some 0s to 60s and let you see what that looks like. So let's get out there and do that. All right, we're gonna do a 0 to 60 real quick and just show you what that looks like. Chance to cruise it around some. We're out on the highway right now. Mishimoto radiator actually holds up pretty good, and I just got the stock condenser fan in front of it. Keeps it pretty cool. It'll get up around 190 when you're really driving it hard, but the fan keeps it pretty cool. I don't like to let it sit in idle too much. Just for fear of it getting hot, but the fan does seem to keep it cool then too. But all in all, she cruises pretty nice. You know, I'm running a 346, which is probably a little bit higher of a rear end than most guys would run with a V8, but it's what I got, so I'm going to try it at least. But she runs pretty smooth down the highway. The coilovers ride nice. I love these tires. They seem to be hooking up really good. You saw the 0 to 60s. I mean, that's trying hard to get them to brake, and they just barely bark. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with how it's holding up, how it's going. And yeah, the only thing is it's pretty hot. I gotta get the AC fixed. Gotta get that. Well, that'll have to wait though. We got racing to do and we're out of money. So for now, we got the 260 air conditioner, 2 windows down, 60 mile an hour. You should have. Oh, you were recording. That's gonna be a good one. So guys, we're gonna close her out. Just wanted to say thank you to all our viewers, Garagistics, that helped us out with all the technical stuff. And you know, comment on what you want to see. You know, we got all these cars to fool with potentially next season. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all the guys that helped us out, and we'll see you next season.
Remember those likes too.
That thing sounds glorious.
Mm-hmm.
It makes Freddie happy.
Freddie? Who's Freddie?
Have you not seen Big Hero 6?
Nope.
Has anybody seen Big